First, we need to identify what your diagnosis is. We do a functional exam. Your body tells us, with the basics of bending or extending your knee, whether it hurts. And if it hurts, then walking, stairs, and really any higher load activity will also be a challenge. Whether you're looking to avoid a knee replacement or just get rid of your knee pain, the treatment tool needs to be effective for your problem. Whether that's radial pressure wave, instrument adhesion release, or adhesion release methods, it has to solve the problem.
So all the tissues that come through the back of the knee, being in Rochester, this is like the old can of worms because everything's coming together in one spot, and we've got tendons from the hamstrings, the gastroc, and other tissues like the plantaris and popliteus, as well as the tibial nerve and peroneal confibular nerve. So we want to feel the tissues and find out, okay, where is it stuck and how is this impacting someone's knee pain, ankle, foot, or leg pain in general. And as we get in and feel this space, we're challenging things, and then the worst spot feels like it's right here. So we're gonna get in and be pushing the muscle and nerve so that we can free up where they're stuck. This one can be a little sensitive, and I wanna be right here. Go ahead. Then with the motion, we're pulling the nerve through as well as lengthening the muscle, allowing us to break down adhesion and resolve nerve entrapment.